No idea how to qualify for contracts with the federal government? I'm sharing 5 steps to becoming qualified as a contractor with the federal government. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do that. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other trainings here on government contracting as well as business advice. Now, I had to go through these same steps that I'm getting ready to share with you. Everybody has to go through these steps. So these aren't suggestions. These aren't a maybe. These are must-dos. Nobody can skip them. And I've helped thousands of small business owners make the move to government contracting, and they have all went through these steps too. If you want to get your business positioned and ready to win contracts with the federal government, this video is for you. And I'm excited to help you in getting registered and qualified so that you can make the move to government contracting, get your business to $1 million a year, and then on to those $1 million government contracts. Oh yeah, it's possible. So the first thing is you have to have your business entity, your structure set up. Now this is foundational right here. Everybody has to have a business set up, an entity structure. You decide what that structure will be. If you don't know, you get your CPA, your attorney, things like that. But you have to have all those foundational things set up. I'm not going to get into that here because most of my people in this community, you guys already have your business set up. So you know that, you have your documents, you have your bank account, you have your tax ID number, all of that good to go. So now you're ready to make the move to government contracting because you've already been doing business in the private sector with corporate and all of that great stuff, which is cool. You're making money in your business. That's awesome. Now you want to take it to the next level. So the next thing you want to do is figure out your NAICS codes. So you already know what you're doing in the private sector. So now you're going to take that, offer it to the government. Well, they go offer NAICS codes. So you'll just do the search. Select your NAICS codes, all the NAICS codes that qualify and apply to what you're going to do. Select them all, whether you're providing a product or service, NAICS codes, okay? After you do that, the next thing is you're going to go into sam.gov, or maybe it's over here, I don't know. But you're going to go to sam.gov and you're going to apply there. Get your SAM registration active. When you do that, they're going to give you a few things. Once your registration is active, you'll have your cage code. You'll have your unique identifier number. So those 2 things you're looking for, cage code, unique identifier number. Write those down once you get them. And that'll let you know that you're active. Now you can start bidding on federal government contracts as a prime contractor. Now, if this is resonating with you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And then let me know in the comments, is your business already registered and ready to start bidding on contracts with the federal government? Let me know in the comments, yes or no or yes. Now, the 4th thing I suggest you do is get your DUNS number. You don't need your DUNS number anymore for your SAM registration. We did in the past, but we don't now. However, as your business grows, right, you probably may want to start getting some business credit. So go ahead and get that profile set up. It's no cost to do it. Just go ahead, apply at Dun & Bradstreet. I'll put that link for you as well down below. Go ahead, do that so that you'll have your DUNS number and you'll start generating and building a credit profile. And then it will also show the years you've been in business. So to show that history, whether you're getting credit right now or not, go ahead, get the DUNS number so you'll have it when you need it. All right, the next thing is your certifications. Apply for all the certifications for which you qualify. Now, if you don't qualify for any of the certifications, it still doesn't mean you can't do work with the federal government. There are advantages to having the certification. So I do encourage you to get all the certifications for which you qualify for. Okay, but if you don't qualify and you're just a small business, that's cool too. They have opportunities for small businesses where they set it aside for just total small business, okay, or partial small business, so something like that. So there's still other ways to get in, even if you don't qualify for a particular certification. What certifications am I talking about? So I'm not talking about, because sometimes people get it confused and think I'm talking about like maybe they have their GC license. they have an electrical license, or they have a license because they do cybersecurity. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the certifications that fall up under the federal contracting program with the SBA, and then within your state as well. So I'm talking about your MBE, Minority Business Enterprise Certification, your MWBE, Minority Woman Business Enterprise Certification, your DBE, your Disadvantaged Business Enterprise Certification, your WOSB, which is your Woman-Owned Small Business Certification, SDVOB, did I say that right? Service Disabled Veteran-Owned Small Business, 8A certification. If you're here watching this, you're probably not ready for the 8A, but that's another certification. They also have their federal hub zone certification. And then you also have your state hub certification. And then states also have your SBE, Small Business Enterprise certification. So again, apply for all the certifications for which you qualify. And if I missed any you qualify for, apply for it. They're very low cost to no cost to get. And so I always say, get them. You don't ever want to be in a position where here's an opportunity and it's set aside for a particular classification. Maybe it's woman-owned and you're woman-owned, but you don't have the certification. So therefore, you can't submit on it. So what did I say? Apply for all the certifications for which you qualify. However, if you qualify for none, you can still apply to work with the government, get your SAM registration, and you can submit on total small business set-asides and things like that. But you can also partner with a service disabled vet, a woman-owned, a minority company. There's a ways around it. Also keep in mind, when we talk about the SAM registration, that's for federal contracts. That's for the federal government. If you're going to elect to work with your state, county, or city, you have to apply and get registered with them individually. Now, some cities will have a system where they're combined and it's multiple cities up under one platform, and that's cool too. You just have to look and see how that works for you within your state and then within the city and counties that you want to work with up under. Okay, so but the main thing is get registered. And if you need help getting your business set up and positioned to be a contractor with the federal government, definitely reach out. We can definitely help you with that. There's a wealth of information on my channel here in regards to that as well. So you can definitely do a search right here on the channel for NAICS codes, certifications. I have several videos right here on the channel that will help you with that. If you're looking and you need help navigating the government RFP process, reach out. Let us see how we can work together, how we can help you in making that move to government contracting and, you know, getting that first bid done fast. That's the goal, to get your first bid done fast with support. Okay, so reach out if that's something you want. You can reach out to us over at support@FeliciaStreeter.com. And then also, I have a free resource, your 5 keys to your $1 million year. Grab that resource. It will help you identify gaps that you currently have that may prevent you from securing your first government contract. So grab that free resource as well. And then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell if you haven't done that already. And then remember, you're just one contract away. Bye for now.